Hello everyone, this is how you do it. This time, we will show you how to start your Cub Cadet riding mower after being sit for a while. The Cub Cadet are known for high-quality mowers, but a bit harder to start than other brands in the market. The mower in this video is the LT46 and it comes with a Kohler engine. First, be sure you put new gas in the tank. It would be even harder to start if old gasoline had been in the system for several weeks. Eventually, you need to drain the old gas from the system and refill the tank with new gas. To start, push the throttle up into the choke, above the running position. You will feel the click for the transition to choke. Then, push the brake pedal all the way in and turn the key to crank. As soon as it starts, just bring the throttle down to run. Keep in mind that the throttle must be in run position for cutting grass. So I hope this video helped you with your riding mower. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe.